Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Global Income Hub. What if I told you that you could build a full website today without knowing a single line of code using 2 free AI tools? In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I use ChatGPT and Claude AI together to plan, design, and build a real website from scratch. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted a website for a business, a portfolio, a blog, whatever, but felt intimidated by coding, this video is for you. I'm going to walk through my exact workflow, using ChatGPT for planning and content, and Claude for actually generating clean working code. Quick note, I'll drop timestamps below so you can jump to the part you need. Section 1. Planning the website with ChatGPT. Step 1. Before touching any code, I use ChatGPT to plan things out. I ask it to help me. Define the website's purpose and target audience. Draft a sitemap, home, about, services, contact, etc. Write the actual copy for each page. Here's a prompt you can copy. Act as a website strategist. I'm building a website for your business idea. Help me create a sitemap, then write homepage copy that's clear and persuasive. This gives me a content foundation, headlines, body text, calls to action, before I write any code. That way, the AI that builds the site isn't guessing at content later. Section 2. Building the site with Claude. Now for the fun part, turning that plan into an actual website. I switch over to Claude because it's especially strong at generating clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it can show you a live preview as it builds. Here's the prompt structure I use. Build a single-page website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one file. Use this copy. Paste ChatGPT's content. Style: modern, minimal. Make it mobile responsive. Watch this. Claude builds out the whole page structure, styles it, and I get a live preview right in the chat. No downloading anything yet, no code editor needed. Subsection: iterating on design. The real power move is iteration. I don't accept the first version. I give feedback like a client would. Make the hero section full width with a background image. Add a sticky navigation bar. Change the font pairing to something more modern. Each time, Claude updates the live version so I can see changes instantly. Subsection: adding functionality. Need a contact form, a pricing table, or an FAQ accordion? Just describe it. Add a contact form with name, email, and message fields, styled to match the site. This is where having an AI that writes actual functional code, not just a mock-up, saves hours. Section 3. Exporting and publishing. Once I'm happy with it, I download the code files. From here, you've got a few options. Free hosting. Sites like Netlify or GitHub pages let you drag and drop your files and go live in minutes. Your own domain. Connect a custom domain through your host's settings. Keep iterating. Go back to Claude anytime to add pages or update content. And there it is. A real, working website built without writing code myself. Section 4. Tips for best results. A few things I learned that'll save you time. Be specific. Vague prompts get generic sites. Mention colors, fonts, layout style, and tone. Build in sections. Ask for the homepage first. Then add pages one at a time instead of everything at once. Use ChatGPT for words, Claude for code. Each tool has a strength. Lean into it. Always test on mobile. Ask explicitly for mobile, responsiveness, and check the preview at different sizes. That's the whole workflow. Plan with ChatGPT. Build with Claude, publish for free. If you found this useful, drop a like. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Global Income Hub for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of site you're building. See you in the next one.